Hello everyone, today in front of me I have Motorola Moto G22 smartphone, and in this video we will show how you can share the Wi-Fi network password on this device. So first of all, swipe down in order for the notification and control panels to appear. Here, once the Wi-Fi shortcut is found, tap and hold in order to open up the Wi-Fi settings menu or the list of the available networks. That will work as well. Here, choose the network that you would like to share the password of. In my case, I'll go with this HardReset.Info _ 5G Wi-Fi network. Tap on this gear icon, which stands for the network settings or network details to be precise. And here, all that it's left to do is to tap on the share button, and as you will see, the Wi-Fi password of this network will be provided right below the QR code, so you can just go ahead and enter it manually on any other device that you would like to share the password with, or you can just simply read this QR code and the second device, in my case it's going to be Nokia Android smartphone, will be automatically connected. So I'll open up the camera of this device, then go for the Google Lens, frame this QR code. Once it's got recognized, I'll tap on it, and here I'll see that this connect network button appears, and as you will see right now, our Nokia smartphone will be successfully connected to the HardReset.Info 5G network. Alrighty, so that was it for this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye!